Hi guys, this is David from Xceleration, the Excel learning channel. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to sum cells by color? Well, then I have good news for you. It is possible. While it is not native to Excel, we can create our own user-defined function to get the sum for a specific color. So let me demonstrate. This is our example. As you can see, we have cells with values. Some are yellow, some are blue, and some are green. Ideally, we like to get the sum for the yellow cell, or the blue cells, or the green cells. To do so, we're going to use Visual Basic. So to launch the Visual Basic editor, I am pressing Alt F11. And now, in the current workbook, I'm going to insert a new module. And in the new module, that's the code I'm going to use to create our function. The name of the function will be sum by color with two arguments. One as a range containing the values to sum, and the second also as a range, which is a cell in a specific color that we want to use. And the code pretty much will go over each cell individually and compare the color of the current cell with the cell of our choice. And then every time there is a match, the value will be updated with the current value plus the value of the cell. And ultimately, that will give us the sum for that specific color. So now, let's do it. Sum by color is the name of the function. So we're going to add the color. So we're going to have yellow, we're going to use blue, and finally green. And now let's use our function equals sum by color, which is new. It did not exist before. First argument, that will be our list of values. Let's use absolute references, comma, and then a cell that is colored with our choice, yellow, which is E3. Closing parentheses, pressing enter, and there you go. 103 is the sum of the yellow cells. Let's check. I'm going to select all the yellow cells one by one, and the sum at the bottom of my screen is 103, so that's correct. And we can use the formula down. 128 for the blue cells, 77 for the green cells. Again, Alt F11, insert a new module, and this is the Visual Basic code to create the new function called sum by color. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, then like it on YouTube, feel free to comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel for new cool videos. Thanks.